isolabial hemangioma and all, right, for you? 1 year back?
6 months, 7 months, sir.
Now what do you want me to do?
Sir, here swelling.
Okay.
So actually, whenever he is woke up, the eyes and in between the cheek, it was swelling. And again, it was whenever the air is coming while we are walking, is continuously tears is coming. And while woke up early morning also, the tears are coming automatically with highly.
Okay.
And as last year, while surgery has happened, you said this lip also normally was came. He want to that lip was also.
But the swelling is still there, no? To do some. Okay. Bite. Bite. Show me some light here. Okay. So you want this swelling to go inside, right?
Yes. And tears also we have to remove.
Tears we can't do now because that will be separate surgery
Okay.
for tears. Left eye tears.
Yes.
That you'll have to do some other
What's
procedure.
the cause of the reason for getting the
Tears coming out is because the tube inside the eye called it's a cyst. You have to do dacrocystorhinostomy.
Okay.
But we can't do that and swelling and everything. If you do the swelling, then we can't do that because it's all in the same area.
Okay.
So if you want me to do the swelling, then you have to do the swelling. And swelling because there is blood inside. If you touch, you feel the blood pumping. Bub, bub, bub. Can you feel? Put your hand here. No, wait.
No, it is pumping.
Like heart.
Oh.
Top, top, top.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not there for us
Yes.
because it's got a big vessel. So that itself is not easy because it's got a big vessel there. So if I do that, I cannot do the tearing.
Okay.
I can only do that. And little bit nose we can do, but not much.
Okay.
But
And this circle he can get
here,
a normal whatever how it will be like this he can get.
normally will not get. They have removed.
Okay.
The first surgery they've removed here, everything before. We can improve. We won't get normal. We can improve little bit.
What about the lips?
Lips also we can improve little bit.
But we cannot get the normal.
Normal shape is difficult. I can make this shape little less, and we can increase this little more.
Okay.
I can do. It will be better. But see, if everything to do will be a little difficult. It will take some time, but we can do.
What either we have to do the remove the tears or we have to do the
Restore.
Restore.
So we can remove the swelling. We can correct this little bit.
Okay.
We can correct this swelling. Increase a little.
Okay.
This much we can do.
Okay.
It will not be 100%, but some improvement will be there. Hello. अंदर रहे. ऊपर जाना है मुझे अभी. नहीं वो अभी नहीं हो पाएगा. वो कब आए? कब आए थे वो?
So last time you people said it is a minor surgery like that you said. So it will pass. No, I cannot know how that inside it will be.
It is not minor.
No, now whatever.
Now see here. Okay, minor. Here minor. But this area is not minor because blood is pumping. It becomes difficult always.
Okay.
Or minor. Suddenly what happens, it will, when I do surgery, it will bleed, I have to use cautery, I have to use laser, all these things are there. So that is why that is not minor.
Okay.
So again you may have to stay like last time.
Okay.
1 week, sometimes 10 days, sometimes 5 days like this.
Okay.
You can't be sure. But finally it will reduce, it will look better. Now it looks better than before, very good improvement is there. But more improvement means this time I do little bit more improvement, sure, but not 100%. You decide and tell, and then we can plan. All right?
If it will be like that, is there any problem in the future?
No problem in the future. Now what problem in the future?
No, just
No.
if tears are continuously coming on the morning times, it was swelling, it will be improved.
Little bit. See, if you can correct it, it is good, no? Face
That is
whatever.
what I am asking. Whether it is any problem that he will do that quickly, or else we will plan.
No, you can wait. No emergency.
So that is what I
You can
need.
wait for 2 months, 6 months, or you can do immediately. It depends on you. No emergency.
Okay.
No emergency. You can wait and do also. You talk to our manager, decide everything, and then you can plan.
Cost.
How much cost for this?
You can talk to him, no?
Expected.
You can talk to him outside.